Hi, I'm Fiona from Kids Club English, and today I want to show you these vocabulary sequencing fans from Peace at Last. Okay, so we've got different variations of these in colour, black and white. So these ones are the black and white ones I've coloured in. On the back, I've stuck on some text here for the different sounds that keep poor Mr. Daddy Bear awake, but there's other text that you can put on here as well. All right, so I'm going to show you how to make it, and I'm going to try and give you some ideas for how you can use this to really create more interaction in your classes and practice that story language. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you've made your fans. Now, how can you use these to practice language? Well, either while you're making them or afterwards. You can use different kinds of story language to identify the image, either to colour or the image to go and find and then stick on the segments. And of course the text is available there as well. So you can either retell the story, stopping at stages for the students to go and collect their things or colour the image. You could tell the story out of sequence, so using phrases, so whether it's, the owl goes twoo twoo and the hedgehog goes snuffle snuffle. Actually, I have no idea what a hedgehog noise is it a bark? I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, so you could use that. You could use rooms of the house. So what's in the kitchen? Oh, it's the fridge. There's a fridge in the kitchen, and they can go and find the image that way. Or if you've finished making them already, they can just bend this around and try and hold up what one it is. You know, I'm talking about all of these from like the teacher kind of controlling this, but of course it doesn't have to be that way. If the student's level is good enough and they're confident enough with the story language itself, then why not get them to lead it? Okay, so they could do it in small groups themselves. Apart from that, I think this is just a really nice tool while you're retelling the story that they can just follow along and show you the images while you're doing the storytelling. But they're a fan, so why not use them as fans, some kind of fan prop, you know, so if it's hot, why not? Or use your favourite songs and have them dance around using their fans, play games where it's a prop for a game, you know. I'm sure you've got lots of other ideas and I'd love to hear them, so please do leave me a comment down below, and I'd love to read them, and it'd be really nice if we could share some different ideas for what you can do with the sequencing fans. All right, thank you very much for watching.